there, this is Sunny Skillman, and I am here at the Songbird Community Healing Center in Cotati, California. And we're just completing and cleaning up after an event that I participated in here with a number of other alternative healers. Every other Tuesday night, we have what we call the Hands of Gold Healing Clinic. And that's what we just completed right now. There's more than a dozen of us healers, practitioners here, and as you can see, we have several massage tables set up. So what we did is people came and we did little mini sessions of the work that we do on people to give them an idea of what it is we do. So I just recently joined this beautiful community here of alternative practitioners, and it's just lovely to be here, and I'm very grateful for this opportunity, and I just wanted to let you know about it. Thank you. See you later.